What are your goals for the next year?
I want to start my own business and travel more.
That's great.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it.
Where do you want to travel to?
I want to visit Japan and Korea.
I've always wanted to visit New Zealand.
Yeah, it's a beautiful country. You should definitely visit.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a designer.
I've always wanted to be a writer.
Writing is a great way to express yourself creatively.
Do you want to learn any new skills?
I would really like to start studying Spanish.
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Playing an instrument is a great hobby. You should give it a try.
Have you ever thought about living in a different country?
Yeah, I've thought about it. I've always wanted to live in Australia.
I've always been fascinated by the idea of living in Europe.
For sure, Europe is great, but I think I'd prefer a more laid-back lifestyle.
What's the most appealing thing about living abroad to you?
The food and the people are the most appealing things to me.
I think it would be amazing to experience a new culture.
It would be an amazing experience. You'd learn so much about yourself.
Do you think you would ever consider moving abroad permanently? I think it would be a great adventure.
Definitely, I think I would. I'd love to start a new life in a new country. Yeah, it would be a great adventure. You'd have so many new opportunities.
Well, maybe one day we'll both be living abroad and can visit each other.
That sounds like a plan. It would be amazing to have a friend to explore new countries with. Well, that's the end of the dialogue. I hope you enjoyed this study break, and I hope to see you again. It's always a good idea to take a break. Bye for now.